Hello, traders and crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Dex Volume Bots, powered by Ranga Technologies. Today, we're diving into the world of base volume bots and their role in optimizing trading strategies on decentralized exchanges, DEX. Whether you're an experienced trader or new to the crypto space, understanding how to utilize these bots effectively can significantly improve your trading outcomes. Let's get started. Maximize your trading efficiency with base volume bots on decentralized exchanges. This video guides you through setting up, integrating, and optimizing automated trading strategies that can enhance your performance and profitability in the crypto market. Base volume bots are automated tools designed to enhance trading efficiency on decentralized exchanges. By executing trades automatically, these bots help maintain liquidity, manage market risk, and optimize trading strategies to capitalize on market opportunities. Setting up a base volume bot involves several key steps. Choosing the right bot. Select a bot that aligns with your trading goals and supports the base network. Configuration. Customize your bot's settings, including trade sizes, timing, and risk parameters to align with your trading strategy. Integration. Connect the bot with your trading account on a DEX that supports base tokens, ensuring it has the necessary permissions to execute trades. Integration is crucial for the success of your trading strategies. Here's how to ensure your bot works seamlessly with DEX. API connectivity. Make sure the bot can connect to the DEX via an API, allowing for real-time data exchange and order execution. Monitoring tools. Utilize tools that monitor bot activity and market conditions, giving you insights to tweak strategies as needed. Security measures. Implement strong security protocols to protect your trades and token assets from unauthorized access. With your bot set up and integrated, it's time to optimize your trading strategies. Effective strategies include high-frequency trading. Leverage the bot's ability to execute orders at high speeds to take advantage of quick market movements. Arbitrage opportunities. Use the bot to capitalize on price differences across multiple DEX, buying low on one and selling high on another. Market making. Configure your bot to act as a market maker, providing liquidity and earning the spread between buy and sell prices. Base volume bots offer a powerful tool for enhancing your trading strategies on decentralized exchanges. By automating trade execution, monitoring market trends, and securing your transactions, these bots help you trade smarter, not harder. Thank you for joining us today on Dex Volume Bots. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more updates on how to make the most of your crypto trading adventures with Ranga Technologies. Happy trading!